TH in through sounds like the sound does not come from here, but it's the air moving out of your mouth that makes the sound. But in father or mother, the sound is different compared to the sound of through. Why? Because in these words, we make the sound from here, from our vocal cord. Now, how to know when to make this th sound or the sound? When to make which sound for the letters T and H? Well, my today's video is dedicated to this whole idea. So stick with me and watch the full video to clear all your confusions about how to pronounce the TH words. First of all, thank you so much. Thanks to all of you who have subscribed to my channel, you have hit the bell button, and you're loyally watching every video that I'm putting up. So thank you so much. I hope my videos help you, and thank you so much for sharing so much love. Now, first, let us understand the unvoiced sound that TH makes. Well, how to do it? Now, look at my mouth. To make the right sound, both the voiced and the unvoiced sound for this TH letter, you need to have your tongue, the tip of your tongue, put it really close to the tip of your front teeth. Remember, don't touch it. Not like that. Not like that. Not like that either. If you want, you can remember, just have your tongue hanging in the middle of your mouth like this, then bring it closer to the upper teeth of yours and the tip towards the tip of your upper tooth, like that. Yes. So the unvoiced sound, when you put your tongue, tip of your tongue close to the tip of your front teeth, the unvoiced sound is produced by the air moving out from your mouth through your lips. Here again, I'm using the sound through. See the sound? I'm not making it from here. I'm not making the sound from my vocal cord, but the air is creating the sound. The air passing through my mouth, out of my lips, is making the sound. So let us practice the unvoiced sounds. So, in the beginning of, when the TH is in the beginning of content words, what are the content words? Words that bring meaning to the sentence, that are meaningful, that are important for a sentence to give us information, help us understand a statement or a question. Those words are called the content words. So when the TH is in the beginning of content words, we need to pronounce it like the unvoiced. So let's see. We need to pronounce how to pronounce this TH in which words? Well, we can use this unvoiced TH sound in the beginning of content words like think, thought, through, thankful, thank you, theory, and through. There are many more words actually. If I start giving examples, I'll have to make a video maybe for forever because there are so many words with this sound. So if you find more words that makes this unvoiced sound of TH letter, do let us know in the comment section below. We have to pronounce the TH letters in the same style for even when the TH is in the middle of the words before the consonants. For example, bathtub, bathtub, bathtub. Say it with me. Faithful, 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 truthful, truthful, worthless, worthless, worthless. Now there are some exceptions, but let's practice them again. Bathtub, bathtub. Faithful, faithful. Or faith, faith. Truth, truth. Again, there are so many words with this sound. So yes, if you know more words, don't be lazy. Do let us know in the section below so we can learn more, others can learn more. Come on, share more in the comments. We have to keep the TH, we have to pronounce it, the TH as the unvoiced. Also, when the TH comes at the end of the words, it is at the end of the words usually. There are some exceptions which we will discuss further along the video. So let's look at some examples. Month, strength, fifth, warmth, sixth. So see, in all these words, warmth, warmth, strength, strength, month, 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 fifth, fifth, fifth. You have to pronounce the TH letter unvoiced as the sound. Practice. If you don't practice, you'll forget. All these will be just unused information. So practice with me, rewind the video, practice with me again. Come on. Now let us practice the voiced sound of the TH letter. The. See, I'm making voice from here. Try it with me. Come on. Take the tip of your tongue close to the tip of your front teeth and make the sound from here. You can feel a little vibration and little ticklish around your tongue. We use this sound when the TH is used in words like grammar words or structure words. Well, words, what are grammar words or structure words? If you're confused, well, words that do not make any exact meaning in the sentence, but they're useful in the sentence grammatically. So examples like this, that, those, there, then, the other then, a, e, then, the United States of America, this girl, that boy, there, words like this. We also make the voice sound for the TH letter when it is in the middle of two vowels. For example, bother, mother, brother, worthy. Whenever the TH letter is in between two vowels, we make the voiced sound for this letter. Now, we also make the TH pronunciation voiced when it's at the end, but when the TH is at the end of the word followed by an E. For example, bath, bath, breath, bread, breath, loathe, loathe. You see, all of these words and many more out there are followed by E. So when the TH is at the end of the word, but they are not the last letters, there's another letter followed with E, well, we pronounce it as a voiced this sound. There are exceptions. There are many exceptions. There are many words where TH is at the end, but still we don't voice it, like smooth, clothes, frothy, so many other words. If you know them, just like I said in my video earlier, do let me know in the comment section below. And I hope I have tried to simplify this confusion as much as possible, where to voice it and where to unvoice it, unvoice this pronunciation of this TH letter. But if it does help you clarify your confusion, please hit the like button, share it with your loved ones. If you haven't subscribed to Educare, subscribe now. I am uploading some really good videos, Those who have already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. This is Irene. Assalamu alaikum. Bye bye.